Hello student, today our topic is basis for a topology, an important topic in the topology. So let's start this topic, and before we start I appeal to all of you, if you have not subscribed this channel, then subscribe this channel to get other videos, and if you like this video then like and share with your friends, and if you have any suggestion then comment me. So let's start for the basis for a topology. How it is defined. Let let x is a set. Then we will take a collection from the set X, collection uh, beta, capital beta, collection from X is a collection of subsets from X subsets from X. Now we will call that this collection will form a topology for X. This collection beta, this collection beta forms a topology. A topology, topology for X if we have two axioms satisfied. First is for each X, for each point or each element X belonging to X, we have a basis element. Basis elements are the members in the collection beta. Basis elements, we have a basis element B belonging to beta such that B contains X. B contains X. For each element we must find out. So the whole X, the set, can be covered by the uh, collection beta. You can say this: B contains the element X. The second axiom, that if we have two if in any element, if any element Y belonging to two members from this collection of beta, uh, belonging intersection of the two members from the collection beta, B1 intersection B2, B1 and B2 both belonging to beta, then there exists a, element B in beta such that Y belongs to B and B is proper subset of B1 intersection B2. So, if these two axioms can be satisfied with the definition, with this definition I am defining, this two condition is required. B forms a topology by with a definition. With a definition means if the topology generated, if the topology generated, if tau is generated by B, generated by B, then we have a definition must be followed by B collection beta, sorry, by beta. Then we have a definition that we have a definition for the members of tau, definition for the members of tau, that if X belongs to a member U, which is open in, which is a member of tau, which belongs to tau, means open. So if X belongs to tau, then there must exist, and there must exist a basis element from beta, from a basis element in beta, such that X belongs to B and B is proper subset of U. Then we will call that tau is a topology generated by beta, and each of the element in tau is defined by the basis element in this way, and U is open in tau. U is open in tau. So I will give an example for this tau. So how the topology can be generated uh, by that previous two axioms. Let's an example. We'll consider in a Cartesian plan all the circles as a basis element. Collection beta is the collection of all the circles in the plan, Cartesian plan X circles. Now our first axioms. So we wish to find out that beta can generate a topology for the for the circles or not. So this is our finding out finding. So we will just justify that beta can make the topology for the set X or not. So let's see the first condition, that for each element X is X is the set, X is a set of two-dimensional real line, means R2. So if we will take any point here, any point, so it can be any point in this Cartesian plan. It is the first quadrant. I am taking the a point in the first quadrant. This is x. X can be in any quadrant in the Cartesian plan. So if x belongs to x, which have two dimensions, x has two dimensions, then we must have a circle. We can generate a circle B which belongs to the member beta. So and which contains x. B belongs to beta, which also contains x. So first axiom is satisfied, and second axiom, if we take another element y, which is the intersection of two elements, two circles. This is y. This is y belonging to members of the beta b1 b2, intersection of two members of beta. If y belongs to two members, intersection of two members b1 intersection b2, so we can generate at any time a circle around y which also belongs to b. This is we are denoting as b slash. We can anytime generate a circle b slash which also belongs to the collection beta. So we can generate a y belongs to a beta slash b slash, which is also proper subset of b1 intersection b2. So both the axioms are satisfied. So here this collection beta forms a topology for the uh, uh, for this two-dimensional set X of real lines. So here beta is the beta forms a topology for the real lines, and here each member in the topology U in the topology U in the topology member, if X belongs to any member in the topology, X belongs to any open set U, from the form taken X, U is a proper subset of X. Then if we take some point, like any point, some point, this is the collection of U. So we can have, if we take in the circle U, then we must find out that there must be a, if these points are taken as a circle, the U is taken as a circle, then we must have a circle B also contains the point X. So in this way you can take any point for any point. I am explaining again, any point for X. If we take U in this way as a circle, this is U, then we can generate also any circle as a proper subset around the X which belongs to beta. So this is B. So in this way this topology can be generated by the beta. So here X belongs to B, which is proper subset of U. So U is open in the topology tau. So this is the example. We can prove that this topology tau is, I have told that this is a topology for the basis beta is the basis beta. Tau is I have told that tau is a topology for the basis beta. but we need to prove this. If and how we can prove it. Here Here we can very easily prove this, that tau is a topology for the basis beta, that null set we have a definition for the topology for any element for topology for each point x belongs to the set X. We have a open set U belonging to tau and B belongs to the collection beta basis, that X belongs to B proper subset of U. This is our definition and we have to prove through this. With this definition we can prove that tau is a topology. So null, if U is null, then it is trivial to prove. It is trivial that null must belong to tau. And if you take X is open set, then you can very easily find out any basis element for each element in X. For each element in X, we must find out a basis element B, which is a proper subset of X. So X and null both belongs to tau. This is our first axiom, so that tau is a topology. So second axiom is that the union of the open sets, an arbitrary union of open sets, must belong to the tau. So if we take, this is the open sets, arbitrary open set, we are taking uj belongs to where j such that j belongs to the index set, j belongs to the index set, this is the index set. So if these are open sets, are open sets, open sets. So we will take the union open sets. We'll take the union U as that union J equal to Uj. So here one point is to notice that if any x belongs to U, so if any x belongs to U, we must find out a Uj. There must exist a Uj such that x belongs to Uj, because this U is the union of Uj. There must belongs to a Uj such that x belongs to Uj. And for our first axiom of basis for the topology, that there must be found out a basis member B for Uj. So if for Uj there is a basis member, then the union U, for the union U, there must be the basis member. So B must be the proper subset of U. So this is the arbitrary collection of the open sets must be open. So must belong to tau. Must belong to tau. The second axiom, and the third axiom. Third axiom is the intersection. So we will take first two members, like we are taking U1 and U2 are open sets in tau or belonging to tau. So now by the first axioms of the basis we have if B1 for a point X, B1 a basis element for which is the proper subset of U1. You can find out by the first exam of basis element B beta basis, first exam of the basis, and also for the point X we can find out a basis element B2 for the open set U2. So if we take the intersection U1 intersection U2, so for this, which is a proper subset of B1 intersection B2 is the proper subset of U1 uh, intersection U2. From to this we can write down that X belongs to B1 intersection B2. Now the second axiom we will use. For the second axiom basis, we must have a B for the intersection such that X belongs to B proper subset of B1 intersection B2 and proper subset of U1 intersection U2. So if it is true for uh, two open sets, the intersection belongs to the topology tau, then we can take any finite number of um, uh, by induction you can take away any finite number of open sets intersection must belong to tau. By induction it can be proved. By induction it can be proved. Very easy to prove. I am leaving to all of you to prove this. So I hope you like this video. Very important topic in topology. Through basis, how can we generate a topology? So I hope you must enjoy it, and of course subscribe this channel to get such kind of videos, and share with your friends if you like these videos. And thanks for watching. Continue to watch this channel.